Here we are at the Harley stand at EICMA, and this is the Bronx, their new naked sports motorcycle. It'll be available late next year, I believe. But unveiled on the stage yesterday, and then now we've got 3 in boxes here to have a good look at. So this bike will be based around a liquid-cooled 60-degree V-twin, and they've called it the Revolution Max. It's a 975cc motor. And yesterday they said that it will produce more than 115 horsepower and more than 70 pound-feet of torque. So I guess that's the minimum we can expect. It's also interesting that they were saying that these Brembos were created in collaboration with Harley, bespoke for the new water-cooled bikes, as were the tyres with Michelin. They described the calipers as having hard edges but a nice soft progression, I believe. But you know what, I think this is actually quite a good looking bike overall. They've done a decent job with the radiator there, not too ugly. And then chunky upside down forks, I like those discs. LED light at the front, headlight. That tank shape is quite nice. And then a narrow tail section and an instrument there, round one. No more specs than that, I'm afraid, but looks pretty decent to me. Belt driven, forgot to mention that. But yeah, it looks all right, especially in this white. I think I prefer the white to the red one. Bit of a better view there into the top of the motor. Brembo on the rear. And that swing arm looks quite nice without the exhaust in the way. So that's the Bronx. Let's have a look at the Pan America over here. So here's the Pan America, takes that 975cc motor and increases the displacement to 1250. This front end's a little bit controversial. Some people love it, some people hate it. I think I'm in the love it camp. It's a bit unusual and I like it. I also like the faded out Harley logo on the side there. So again, got them bespoke Brembos, and also apparently these Michelin tyres as well have been developed for this project. What do you guys think? Could you stomach it? I think it looks pretty good. It's got decent adventure stuff on it. Peripheral lights, engine bars, handguards, full aluminium luggage at the back there. Seat looks comfortable too. Brembo master cylinder on the brakes. And then a decent LCD display or TFT. This 1250 is meant to put out, again they said, more than 145 horsepower and more than 90 pounds-feet of torque. So that'd be the bare minimum for this, and that's quite a big increase on the Bronx. Here's a little look at the back end of it. There's the tail light under there. Nice little Harley logo in the light. So the Pan America is chain driven, unlike the Bronx. And here's one in black, a little bit more stealthy. It's quite nice looking. I think I prefer the orange though. And again, a bit of a better view of the motor in that stripped off bike there. So that's the Bronx and the Pan America. I'm a bit disappointed not to see the 1250 Custom. That's also going to be based on this water-cooled engine. I don't know why it's not here, but I thought it was quite a good looking cruiser, so hopefully that does surface eventually. Let me know what you think of these bikes in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think about this big bulbous front end and headlight. I like it, but I'm pretty sure it's not going to be for everyone.